We finally made it, that car was a bottle. I took the lead and let everyone follow. They know I'm running it right to the bank. They want me to eat it, I didn't need with me, bleeding room. Sorry, I told them I can't. Heard you were so you know what's gonna happen when
So we got my guys out there, you know, they're working hard. It's kind of chilly, the cold front's coming in, but we're going to keep busy. See if we can't get all this stuff painted and ready to go hang all this iron out there in Minnesota, Texas. Y'all keep safe, y'all stay blessed, y'all stay grateful.